Everyone, this is Kid Keeping your actor based here in Kid of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will make a reaction video the Elvis Presley, should I say, of the Philippines, which is Jerome. So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this performance sa Itbulaga. So basically, I will put overlay image, guys, na medyo ma-blur ang ating mga video. Kung gusto nyo panoorin yung original video at hindi siya blurry and everything to avoid copyright claims, you can go to the original channel. But for today's video, gagawa natin yung reaction video and respeto na lang din talaga sa original na may-ari nito. Kaya naglalagay tayo ng overlay. Okay? So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Sige nga. Na-request siya to kahapon eh. Elvis Presley, Jerome Everdome. Everdome ba or Everdome? Overdome? Please comment down below. Good afternoon, darling. Aki ka dyan. Talaga ng timbre ng boses niya. Alam mo, one thing that I really love about him talaga is yung timbre ng boses niya. Ang timbre ng boses for this one. Just like the way he hit the low notes, alam mo yung kuhang niya talaga yung atake. Yung ito, as what I have said kahapon nga, parang na-mention ko dito sa reaction video ko na if you will hit the low notes talaga, you have to enunciate the words clearly. You have to deliver the words clearly and whatnot. Wait a minute, medyo low-bat na pala ito yung aking headphones. But then again, ang sabi ko nga, when you hitting the low notes, you have to something like enunciate the words clearly. Yung tipong alam mo yung kailangan mo talaga ma-deliver siya or well-executed siya. Anyways, learn natin. Saan na tayo? Nawala. Yes. Wait. Sorry. My bad. Talaga, may mga gumagawa talaga tayo ng reaction video is something like ito na. Okay. GGG.
The clone of the king of rock and roll. Ito na si Jerome Everdome.
Inosente ng mukha niya talaga. Napaka-inosente ng mukha niya talaga. O alam mo yung ganda ng vibrato niya. Pulidong-pulido yung vibrato niya. Ay, wait lang. Gusto ko lang din idagdag sa mga nagreklamo pala kung bakit may mga overlay music or may narinig kayong ibang background music. There it is intended na lalagyan ko talaga. Okay, to avoid copyright claims. Emotion. Oh, the crescendo. Yan yung sinasabi ko kahapon na yung atake niya or the execution of crescendo and decrescendo. Ang ganda talaga. Like for example, mahina ang boses niya, lalakasan niya, that is crescendo. Yung decrescendo naman yung malakas ang boses niya tapos hihinaan niya, that is decrescendo. Oh my God, very romantic. Minor ba to? Hindi naman siya siguro minor ha, pero alam mo yung parang sinasalunsog yung katawan ko ng boses niya. You know what I mean? Grabe, pasok na pasok sa panlasa ko yung boses niya. Alam mo yung tipo, kahit, ang sarap nito, pag naka-close yung mata mo, tapos nasa gitna ka ng dagat, yung palutang-lutang ka lang. Ang sarap nito. Bata pa siya, no? Hindi ka nanalo. Decrescendo. That is the decrescendo for today's video.
You're very good
Kumanta pa ba siya dito? Hindi kumanta pa siya.
I know you've been waiting for this concert.
Oh my God, yan pala talaga yung speaking voice niya. Okay, hindi ko alam na ganyan yung speaking voice niya. Ganun din pala, malalim din na pala talaga yung boses niya.
Here. And
Okay.
my very second song,
May second song pa siya.
very tender pop song of Elvis. And it goes on like this. Pipeds, play good.
Ay. Okay. Iba na naman yung boses niya dito. Ay. Ay, hello. It's weak na. Narinig yun? Yung parang paus na parang... Weak. Ano ba yung boses niya? Talagang sumasayaw siya, ha? Every Sunday. Okay. Oh, yung low notes siya talaga. His low notes never disappoints. Love you so. Ito talaga dapat na. Tapos na? Yun na yun? Ayun na ngayon. Alright, there you go guys. That is it for today's video, which is from Jerome Everett Gomez. I really love the execution. Very, very subtle lang. I really love his performance. Nung nabitin ako sa totoo lang. Pero hindi kasi full song siya eh, no? Nakakainis naman. Nabitin ako ng malala. Sa totoo lang. Pero alam mo, ang perfect talaga ng vocal prowess. His vocal prowess never disappoints. This is Kidibo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!